Hey guys, here's another video, and today I'm doing a free fidget spinner giveaway. It's a green spinner right here. See the bearings though? They're not actually bearings, they're basically just weights. And here's the inside of it. So, if you want this fidget spinner, all you have to do is leave a like and subscribe, turn on notifications, and you might get this here spinner. So you have a big chance of winning this spinner. And also, when whoever wins it might possibly get more stuff with this fidget spinner. I might do some more giveaways, so subscribe, turn on notifications, leave a like, and read the description below. And also check out my channel, creative videos. I have some other videos. Also leave likes to those. The person who leaves likes to all my videos, just all likes, will win. Probably win this here spinner. So I'll pick one of you guys because I know all of you are probably going to be wanting fidget spinners. If you don't know what they are, they're just basically deals that spin, and they're really fun. So I really love fidget spinners. And so Dan CDM, if you're watching this video, if you want the fidget spinner, this would be your lucky day. See you guys later.